name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. We had heard that Donut Falls was a great spot for sledding. The Donut Falls sledding area is located halfway up Big Cottonwood Canyon and sits at the mouth of Mill D South. From the gate, it's just a short walk down the road, and on the left side, it's a hill for a perfect place to take the sleds. Some hills are for small children to sled, and some are steep and has jumps for older children and adults. Sledding is one of the most fun activities for anyone of any age. And of course, I did try sledding too. It was so much fun and exciting to do a snow sledding adventure. Let's watch it again one more time. Donut Falls is a popular sledding spot. It's a large area and the mountains are so pretty. If you need a spot to sled, definitely check out Donut Falls. Easy place to go have some fun with the whole family. So bundle up and head to the canyon with your favorite sled. Happy sledding! Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. Or click one of these videos. Thanks again and see you in the next video. Bye!